Welcome students in a series of area and parameter. Today's topic is area and parameter both, and we will solve some questions. Here is a rectangle, and at first we know that we can find out area by counting squares also. So here are number of squares 6. So we can say 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter or 6 square centimeters is area of this rectangular figure. So what is the formula for that? The formula of area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. But what if area is given to you and you need to find out length or breadth? We can find out the formula by ourselves. How? We know that length into breadth equal to area. So if we need to find out length, so just transfer the breadth to opposite side. So it is area of rectangle divided by breadth. And if we need to find out breadth, what we will do? We will transfer length to the opposite side, and our formula will be area of rectangle by length. Let us solve few questions. If we need to find out the length of the rectangle with dimensions given below. So here are the dimensions. Area is given to us, that is 320 square centimeters, and breadth is given to us, that is 16 centimeter, and we need to find out the length. So we will use the formula directly. We know that length equals to area of rectangle divided by breadth. It means, let us put the values, 320 square centimeters divided by 16 centimeters. Just divide it and you will get 20 centimeter. Always remember the unit of length is centimeter, but the unit of area is square centimeters. Let us do one more question. Area equals to 1800 square centimeters and breadth equals to 40 centimeters. So let us find out the length. Length equals to area of rectangle divided by breadth. Just put the values, 1800 square centimeters divided by 40 centimeters. And what is this? 45 centimeter. Now, here is one more question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose area equals to 4800 square meter and breadth equal to 60 meter. Now here we need to find out the perimeter, and what is given to us? Area and breadth. To find out the perimeter, we need two things for rectangle: length and breadth. Here breadth is given but length is not. But area is given. So we can find out length by the help of area. Yes, because length equals to area of rectangle divided by breadth. Just put the values and we can find out length equal to 80 meter. Now we can easily find out the perimeter because we know the formula for perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 multiply in bracket length plus breadth. So put the values, 2 in bracket 80 plus 60 meter, that is 2 multiply 140 meter, and it is 280 meter. So perimeter of rectangle equals to 280 meter. Let us do one more question of this kind. If area equals to 8 and 2 by 3 square millimeter and length equal to 5 and 7 by 9 millimeter. Here is dimensions are in form of mixed fraction. So what is given to us? Area and length. At first we need to find out breadth so that we can put the values in the formula of perimeter. So what is the formula for breadth? That is area of rectangle divided by length. Area is 8 and 2 by 3 square millimeter and length is 5 and 7 by 9 millimeter. But these dimensions are in form of mixed fraction. At first convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then we will solve. So 8 and 2 by 3 will be 26 by 3 square millimeter and 5 and 7 by 9 millimeter equals to 52 by 9 millimeter. Now we need to divide in 26 by 3 by 52 by 9. So it is the question of division of fraction. So remember how to do multiplication and division of fraction. If not, then kindly watch my previous videos of fractions, division of fraction. Here I will tell you in brief. 26 by 3 divided by 52 by 9. So at first we will write the reciprocal of 52 by 9 and the sign of multiplication. It means 26 by 3 multiply 9 by 52. That is equals to 3 by 2 millimeter. How it will be 3 by 2 millimeter? You know how? We can cut this. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. And here 26 ones are 26 and 26 twos are 52. That's why it is 3 by 2 millimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle we need to find out. So length we have and we have breadth also. So what is the formula? 2 multiply length plus breadth in brackets. So here we will put the values 2 in bracket, length equal to, we know that is 5 and 7 by 9, and we have already converted 5 and 7 by 9 into improper fraction, that is 52 by 9. So we will write 52 by 9 plus, and breadth is 3 by 2. So it is 2 in bracket 52 by 9 plus 3 by 2 millimeter. Let us solve this. Now you need to remember addition of fraction 2. Here denominators are different. It means we will take LCM. And what is the LCM of 9 and 2? That is 18. So here 18 is the LCM. So in numerator we will get 104 plus 27 millimeter. It means it is 131 by 9 millimeter, and we will convert it into mixed fraction, that is 14 and 5 by 9 millimeter. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.